A wiki bomb has started to tick this time, a threat of it exploding looming over the BJP-led government in Gujarat. In the latest, the US diplomatic cable access dated 2005 says Narendra Modi's government in Gujarat is allegedly trying to use an NGO, the Self-Employed Women's Association or SEWA, as a medium to disseminate communal ideologies. The cable sent by the US Consul General in Mumbai in 2005 quoted SEWA General Secretary as telling him that the organization was facing the wrath of the state government for resisting pressure. Nanavati, in fact, added that the state government was also trying to project an air of normality after the 2002 communal riots, but politically it was still pursuing a divide and rule agenda. Abhishek now joins us on the phone line with the latest from Ahmedabad. Abhishek, indeed, this does come at a very awkward moment for the BJP, especially in their state of Gujarat.
Well, yes, the string of WikiLeaks that have been coming off late have been kind of putting BJP in a spot. But so far as this particular issue is concerned, we are told, we checked with the state government here, there was a clash of interest, so to say, between the Modi government and SEWA in the period 2005-2006. And these WikiLeaks basically pertain to that period when Narendra Modi government had launched an audit, and in that audit they had found that there were certain vouchers or bills that were put by SEWA inflated in their amount, and a recovery of about rupees 1.5 crore, we are told, was made on SEWA, following which SEWA had withdrawn from all the projects that they were doing with the Narendra Modi government, with the various departments, particularly the Rural Development Department of the Modi government. And subsequent to that withdrawal, we are told that there was some cooling off period, and then the issue has gone on a back burner, and SEWA is in fact back doing business with the certain departments of the Modi government. So as of now, that is the reason why either the Modi government or from the SEWA, no one is going to give a reaction on this. Back to you, Rupali.
Okay, reaction from the BJP denying allegations, claiming that the fact the organization is still functioning and doing good work, they're talking about the NGO, shows that the allegations have absolutely no substance. They've also added that the wiki cables were mere impressions of people and nothing more should be attributed to them.